ready. Okay. So
Okay.
as that day, so actually first hour we will be doing the class from 7:30 to 8:30. We will be doing the class, and then 8:30 to 9:30 you will be having the exam. Exam in the sense that is a formative test. Formative test in the sense that's not a kind of big one, but as I told you that day, that's all about the things that we have completed so far. I have included only few questions there. Okay, so you better go through them and try to understand like how many, like I mean, what kind of sections are confusing. That's what you need to understand, because you know that today is our 20th day, and that means we have done a lot throughout these sessions. Plus we are going to end the sessions within this month, so you will be having your next class after Aurudu, and we are giving you some time to enjoy your Aurudu and those kind of things. Okay, so then today will be the last day before Avrudu. And again, we are doing the class on 22nd, 24th, and after that, 29th, also we are having the exam. And I think it's better if we can have a kind of the test, I mean, the end test. We will do it in May. Okay, so probably the May first week, we will be having our test, and your speaking one, the speaking individual speaking part, we'll do it on like somewhere in April. So probably that's about the final week of April, the last week of April, we will do our speaking part. Okay, so that's what I planned today. Okay, nice. Then we have, okay, so we have some students. Then I think it's better to start. Dilini there, Nitmi and Nitmini and Sachini. Okay, so like, okay, nice. Then we can start. No, are you ready for the class? Are you ready to start? Yes, why not? We are ready. Mm. Okay, nice, nice. Good. So, like, how about these days? What do you do? Ah, Sachini. What do you do, Sachini, these days? Nothing is special. Don't say nothing is special. Okay, so, like, something you do these days, students? Ah, Sachini. Netmini? Yes, Netmi, anything you do? Okay. So nothing is special, just like a normal day. Ayo, is that so? So like that means how about your sweetmeats preparations? You told me that day that you are very interested in eating cookies and asked me and those kind of things, right? Okay. You have like exams, ne? You study for your CA. Okay, okay, nice, nice. They are also there. Okay, so then you are very busy. Adelini. Very busy. Okay, fine. So let's start. So as I told you, today is our 20th day, day 20. So it's a long time, ne? Okay, I mean, yes, so you have been with me for 20 days. Okay, so this is today's outline. And first, we will move on to our warm up task. Okay, you have to just send me your answers. Imagine your phone suddenly starts talking to you. Okay, so what would it say about your habits as students? Imagine that your phone suddenly starts talking to you. Okay, so like just type, I mean, short answers enough. You type your answers. So my phone probably would say, please stop dropping me, because most of the times I drop my phone and that happens to me. So then my phone would say, please stop dropping me. Okay, so your phones would say, why so many selfies today, and like that. Okay, so yeah, you have to like imagine and tell me, what would your phone say? Hmm. Everyone type your answer. Type a simple like sentence like this. Please stop dropping me. Why so many selfies today? Okay, why are you setting alarm every day and not waking up? So those are the issues that the phone will ask from you, right? Why are you setting alarm every day and and why are you not waking up on time? Okay, yeah. So those things. What would your phone say, students? Quickly tell me the answer. Everyone? Yes. Netmini? Netmi and Sachini? Yes, Dilini? I'm waiting for your answers. I'm eagerly waiting for your answers. Yes. Quickly type. It's not a kind of very big deal. Okay. Finish the. Everyone should type. Okay, done. Students, okay, I received two. That's please give some rest to me. Okay, seriously, so your phone would say, please give some rest. Okay, good, good, that's good. Please give some rest to me. Then, please don't bother me. Oh, okay. Please, like Nitmini also telling, please give me some time for resting. Ne? Okay, okay. So that's about the phone feels very exhausted. Phone feels very exhausted because you always typing and searching and scrolling up and scrolling down. So the phone might feel exhausted and drowsy. Okay, and then say, please give me some rest. Okay, fine. Good. Nice. So then how about Sachini? Yes, Sachini, what would Sachini's phone say? Sachini can't type the answer. Sachini's Paul would blame her. Bunny with Sachini. What would your phone say, Sachini? Nothing. Okay. Please buy a new phone. Okay. Like, please buy a new phone. No, please treat me well. Is that so? Okay, nice. I asked the same question from other students yesterday and they told me, like, please treat me well. Okay. Yes, because you don't have a good back cover and like so you use it for a longer time now. So please renew, or if not, please treat me well. Okay, good, nice. Then, so this is today's speaking task. We are going to do formal greetings. Okay, so I think most of the speaking tasks that we have completed so far, they are not related to that formal greetings, neither. So most of the things that we completed, they are very casual. Okay, and like meeting students and meeting after the class and like a conversation at a supermarket and at the doctor's office, like that we discuss some casual conversations. But today's conversation is something different because actually we have three people there, a professor and two students. Okay, so that James, Emma and Professor Austin, these are the people that we have in today's conversation. Okay, so nice. Then I will give the chance for like James. So James is with me. Austin, Professor Austin is Dilini, and Nitmini will play the role of uh, Emma. Okay, shall we start? Okay, Nitmi, please start. You are James now.
Good
James is.
morning, Mr.
Hmm.
Austin. How are you doing?
Good morning, James. I am Jane here and here.
I am great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I am more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us.
Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions.
Okay, so you three did it very nicely. Huh? That's true. That's so cool. And turn taking was also there. What do you mean by turn taking, student? So turn taking in the sense that's about you take your turn very nicely. Okay, so when it comes to your turn, you got it nicely. And there was a nice flow and Dilini, Netmi and Netmini. So you three have done it very nicely. And I will be giving chance to Sachini and Menuk also, but since I didn't get any answer from Sachini, I was thinking Sachini is having an issue with the microphone or some like. Yes. So then, Sachini, can you hear me properly? Okay. Kanda, please drop me a message. Okay, can't, no? Okay, no worries. Then we'll start. Menuka joining again. Okay, he got disconnected. Anyway, so now we will focus on this conversation. Sachini can hear, neither. Okay, Sachini, I will be giving you and Menuka another chance. Okay, yes, good, because here we have only three. Yes, nice. Then, James, good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing? So that is the way, formally greeting. Then Professor Austin also saying, good morning, James, I'm doing well. And you? Okay, then James telling, I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. So look at the way how they are talking. So that's really formal. Okay. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Now, I have explained you the difference between a few and few. Okay. Hope you can remember. Netmini, what is the difference between a few and few? Okay. Can someone please tell me the difference between a few and few? Menuka? Yes, Sachini? I think I have already explained you this thing. Now tell me the difference. What is positive and what gives some negative idea? What gives some positive idea? A few and few? So these things will be there in May exam. Okay, so May first week you have an exam. Okay, so then I want to see how you are how you score there. Today also you are having a simple test from 8:30 to 9:30. So you have to do that and send answers to coordinator. Then I will be checking and send you a marks in the morning. Tomorrow morning I will be sending you a marks. So you need to take time from 8:30 to 9:30 and do your formative test. Okay, I told you that day that you are having a test today. Okay, so everyone should do that. I will be sending the PDF to the chat box. Okay, then you better go download it and then you write your answers in a paper or you write your answers on the PDF. That's also no matter. But then make it as a PDF and send it to the coordinator. She will be sending it to me and I will be sending answers tomorrow morning. Okay? Yes. So, what's the difference between a few and few? I have already taught you this. What is positive? What's negative? What has positive meaning? What has negative meaning? Guess and tell me. If you can't, please guess and tell me. Yes. Students, you are very, I don't know you are listening to me or not because we have done this thing already. Okay, what's the difference and what is positive? Dilini, what's positive here? Sachini? Menuka? Guess and tell. So now actually no need to guess. I have already taught. But the thing is, the thing now you can't remember and you have a very nice memory on this. Then the thing, guess and tell at least. Tell. I'm not moving on to the lesson. You have to just give me the answer. Yes, everyone. Everyone type the answer now. You can't just take some time to rest now. A few is positive, few is negative. Seriously? And telling not sure as well. Not sure is sent with an emoji, crying emoji. If I were there, I would really hit you, okay? Yes. Yeah, because this is something that we have done already. Not sure. Not sure. No, it's correct. Okay. So the thing is, A few is always giving you a kind of positive meaning. Remember the last time, if you I need everyone to receive more than 80 for the end exam. End exam you will be having, I'm repeating it, the first week of May. Okay. Yes, so today you have a small test. So please do that. Menuka, I hope you are listening. Okay. A few is having a positive meaning. For example, like it says that a ati. For example, if I tell I have a few friends. Okay, so if you miss this, please write. If you say I have a few friends, so that is about you think I have some friends and but enough. Okay, so that's what you think. I have a few friends, but you think, okay, so that's really enough. So that's why you say a few there. Okay, if you say I have a few friends, that means මට ටිකක් ඉන්නවා. මට ටිකක් ඉන්නවා. So that's about you being positive there. I have some friends, but you think අපෝයි හොඳටම ඇති. That's it. But if you say I have a few friends, okay, I have few friends in the sense that is about like you think um, that's something different and that gives a kind of negative meaning there. Okay, that is a kind of negative one. If you say I have few friends, that is about like almost no friends. Okay, ගොඩක් යාළුවෝ නැහැ. Almost no friends. I feel lonely. So that is there. පාළුයි. I feel lonely. So that idea is there. Hope you understood the meaning now. Okay, so a few is always enough. Okay, if you tell something using a few, that means you say enough. ඇති. But if you use few there, ටිකක් තමයි. But that means not enough. Okay, few and a few means tikak. That's okay in Sinhala. If you want to say tikak, mate alo tikak innawa, you can say I have a few friends. Okay, if not, you can say I have a few friends. But if your idea is that I have enough friends, tikak hitiyat they ඇති මට කියනවා නම් you have to write a few there. Okay, I have a few friends means you are very happy that you have some friends. මට යාළුවෝ ටිකක් ඉන්නවා. That's it. But if you say I have few friends, that's about මට යාළුවෝ ටිකයි ඉන්නේ. Okay, so that means you like somewhat negative and you say it like almost no friends and you feel lonely. Okay, now you understood it. Is that clear? Students, any doubts about it? Now can't say not sure. Okay, now sure, right? Yes. Okay, fine. Very good. So that's about now correct. Now it's clear. Good. Okay. So, but here we have, she has a few questions. So that means James is positive about it. That's why, like, imagine like A is positive because A is the first letter of the alphabet. Then think that's positive. Then when you say a few, you are being positive. When you say few there, so that doesn't tell something related to that positivity, like you focus on something not enough. Okay, yes. Then like here, like James is positive, she has a few questions. යාට questions ටිකක් තියෙනවා. Okay, then would you mind telling us about the process, please? I have explained you how to use would you mind. So here also they have used would you mind telling. You know, after using would you mind, we use ing there. Would you mind calling me today? Would you mind telling me about the class? Would you mind sending me the dress today? Would you mind calling me back? Okay, something like that. Would you mind teaching me? Okay, so that's all about it. Would you mind like giving me a glass of water? Okay, so that is very polite. That's why we are talking about formal greetings. Okay, then hello Emma, it's a pleasure to meet you. I am more than happy. So you know that like people use more than. For example, you can tell mage marks එයාට වඩා වැඩි. You say my marks are like how to say my marks are better than her. Okay, my marks are better than her. If not, you can say my marks are higher than her. Okay, so like that you can use more than. Okay, but here the way that Professor Austin using the term more than, it is different, because after more than they have used a kind of used an adjective there, and I am more than happy to speak with you. So more than is especially we use better than, higher than. So than is used to compare something ne, compare කරන්න සංසන්දනය කරන්නනේ. So generally we use than to compare or සංසන්දනය කරන්න. Compare and contrast. Compare in the sense that's about you focus on similarities. සමානතා ගැන හිතන එක. Okay, and contrast in the sense that's about you focused on differences. That's the meaning. Ne? Compare, contrast means comparing, focusing on similarities. Contrasting, වෙනස්කම්, focusing on differences. So now, he is telling, I am more than happy to speak with you. So more than happy means ගොඩාක් සතුටුයි, right? So then we need to understand how to use more than there. Okay, then please stop by my office next week. So you are writing in next week. Ne ගොඩක් වෙලාවට you are writing in next week, in last week. Look at how next week is written here, students, without prepositions, right? I have told you many days, don't write in, before, next and last. Okay, prepositions are not used before the words like next and last. So here, please stop by my office. They don't say at next week, in next week, go on next week. That is just next week. Okay, so that means no prepositions needed before next and last. Okay, so you also follow this thing. So I am doing these things, and here we have lot of things to learn, students. Look how many things you learned. Okay, this is a very simple conversation between three people, but you learning grammar parts and speaking parts there and new words there. Okay, so you have to grasp all the things. Grasp in the sense understand. තේරුම් ගන්න. That's the meaning of grasp. Okay, then so it is a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Now, Professor telling that don't mention it. Okay, so don't mention it in the sense we say welcome. When someone says thank you to us, we say welcome, always welcome, or most welcome, glad to help you. That's nothing, no worries, like that we say, ne? Okay, but Professor Austin saying don't mention it. Okay, so that is so similar to you are welcome, but that is not that much of formal that we can say semi-formal. Okay, then hopefully I will be able to answer your questions. Okay, so we need to understand how to use hopefully. Okay, so today I will be teaching you how to use this structure. Okay, and then hopefully. So these are the two small parts that I am going to teach today through this conversation, because every day I teach you some parts like that. We learned ne, the may, might, and everything now we learned. Ne? So today we'll focus on these two. Okay, so look at this conversation. So this is Emma, Professor Austin, and then other person is James. We have them here. Okay, fine. So now, more than is more than means the meaning of this term. It differs according to the context, students, or according to the situation. අපි එක use කරන situation එක අනුව more than කියන එකේ meaning එක sometimes it will change. So generally it has three meanings. One is I am more than happy to help you. So that is about if you say I am more than happy, that means very. Okay, අපිට මෙතන more than කියන්නේ very කියන meaning එක. That's about I am very happy to help you. If you want to use very there, so you can use more than to make your feeling more stronger. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාට දැනෙන දේ strong කරන්න ඕන නම්, වැඩි කරලා කියන්න ඕන නම්, you can say I am happy to help you නේ. But if you say I am more than happy to help you, that's about I am very happy to help you. Okay, so that's the meaning. Look at the second one. She is more than ready for the exam. So does that mean very, students? Yes. මෙතන more than කියන්නේත් very meaning එකද? Or is it something different? What's your idea? First one is okay. First one, that means very. How about second one, Menuka? Yes. Does that mean very or something different? Yes, Menuka, tell me the answer. Does that mean very or something different? Yes, Netmi? Netmini? Yeah, Anetmi told the answer. Dilini? Sachini? Yes, anyone? Does that also mean very or something different? Okay. Netmi and Dilini saying that's a different one. How about other three students? Menuka, Sachini and Netmini? Are they listening to me? Okay. Are they with me? Okay. How about Menuka and Sachini? They went to drink some like water or they went for their evening tea. Now we think not evening tea, now it's already 8 p.m. Okay, fine. I think it's very, but not so sure. Okay, fine. Good. Anyway, so she's more than ready for the exam. Students, we don't say like she's very ready for the exam. Nene. She's very ready in the sense that doesn't make sense neither. एक sense එකක් නැහැ. So she's more than ready for the exam means she is completely ready for the exam. So if you use more than, sometimes it says completely. කියන්නේ හොඳටම. Okay, very කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. If you say I am more than happy, so that comes with an adjective. Okay, I am more than happy. I am more than something. Okay, whatever adjective that you use there. Okay, then like she is more than ready for the exam. That is, she is completely ready for the exam. She is more than ready for the something party. Okay, yes. So that is completely. They were more than friends. So this more than is not about completely, it's not about very as well. They very than friends we don't say any. So that's about close. Okay, so that is about closer than just friends. යාළුවන්ට වඩා close කියන එක. So they might be in love, right? If you say they were more than friends in the sense ඒගොල්ලෝ යාළුවන්ට වඩා යාළු වගේ නෙවෙයි. So like you can say my best friend is more than just a friend. You can tell neither. My best friend, or like you can say she is more than a friend to me. If you say she is more than a friend to me, that means you say she is very closer to you. So she is playing the role of your sister. Sometimes she is a mentor for you. Sometimes she is a teacher. Sometimes she is a helper. So you think she is more than a friend to me. Okay, so that is closer. Now you understood more than that has different meanings there. One is we can use it for like to say very. One is to say completely. Other one is if you want to say closer than something. So then you can use more than. Okay. So for example, I can say we were more than teacher and students, right? So because we have a connection and sometimes you are like friends to me, sometimes you play the role of my children, sometimes you play the role of my friends as well, and like we are having some general discussions, we discuss the things together. So then I can say my students are more than students to me. Okay, that's about sometimes you play a lot of roles in my life. Okay, so that's how we can use more than. I think it's clear. Okay, then hopefully means you expect good to happen. හොඳ දෙයක් වෙයි කියලා හිතන්නේ. That's it. Okay, for example, like in Sinhala, සමහර වෙලාවට ඒක එහෙම වේවි, හොඳට වේවි. So you tell, no? හොඳට වෙනවා කියන එක. So then we can tell it in English using hopefully. You can use hopefully at the beginning also and at the end also. හැබැයි using hopefully at the end is less common. Okay, so it's better if you can use hopefully as the first word of the sentence. Okay, end එකටත් කමක් නැහැ, but that's not so like that's not very common. එක common method එක නෙවෙයි. Okay, so this is the common method. Hopefully the weather will be nice tomorrow. අනේ හොඳටම weather එක හොඳ වේවි හෙට. Hopefully she gets the job. That's about you think something good to happen. Okay, so always when you want to talk about something good that's going to happen, you can use hopefully there. Okay, so I can tell you, hopefully, what can I say? Hopefully, we will meet one day, students. Okay, අපි කවදා හරි හම්බ වේවි. So you can tell me, hopefully we will meet one day, students. So then I expect something good to happen because meeting you is something good. So then I think, hopefully we will meet one day. Okay, so that's a good one. If not, you can use hopefully at the end. We will finish the project hopefully. She will call back soon, hopefully. You can think it like he will drop me an email, hopefully. Okay, that's it. Okay, he will drop me an email, hopefully. Email එකක් දාවි. Okay, he will call me, hopefully. My mother will buy me a new dress, hopefully. Okay, so something good, ne? Hopefully, my mother will buy me a new dress. Okay, that's it. So something good and you think it like that. Okay, if think like you want to pass the exam, you can say, hopefully I will pass the exam. Okay, hopefully I will pass the exam. Exam එක pass වේවි. Hopefully I will pass the exam. Okay, so that's how you have to use hopefully when you expect something good to happen. Okay, last one is don't mention it. Like that's something very easy because it is a polite way to say you are welcome. If you want to say you are welcome when someone says thank you can just use the term don't mention it. Ek හිතන්න එපා. That's it. Don't mention it. Okay, so that's a simple one. Okay, hope you understood the two that I taught you. That's about more than and hopefully. Okay, shall we write a sentence choosing one? You can choose more than or hopefully, either more than or hopefully, and write a sentence quickly. Yes, quickly write. I'm giving only 2 minutes. Choose a sentence and write. Sorry, choose a phrase and write. Yes. Okay, not a sentence. You can use more than. When you are using more than, you have to remember, am I using it to say very? Am I using it to say completely? Am I using it to talk about something closer? So someone closer. Okay. Hopefully, like no, nothing like that there. You can use it at the beginning or at the end. Better if you use at the beginning. Okay, not the end. Everyone write a sentence. You can't just stay like only listening to me. You have to work. Okay. Yes, you have to work. You have to respond in the class. You have to type answers. That's how you can develop yourself, new students. Now write the answer. Okay. One of you has written the answer. Others also try. Okay. Hopefully, she comes to meet me tomorrow. Excellent. That's it. You can just write. So, you expect something good to happen. So, you can write, hopefully, she comes to meet me tomorrow. Okay, fine. Others also try. Okay. Yes, you can write the same sentence like, I hope she comes to meet me tomorrow. Yes. Yeah. Okay, I'm writing. You can write, I hope she comes to meet me tomorrow. That is the sentence we wrote using hopefully neither. Okay, hopefully she comes to meet me tomorrow. We can write the same sentence. I hope she comes to meet me tomorrow. I hope. Okay, very good. Hopefully he will get the best result for all like A level exam. Okay. You also wrote hopefully the everyone writing hopefully, ne? Okay, okay, no worries. Hopefully, he will get the best result. Okay, very nice. That's good. Other thing is, hopefully, I wish to me good luck for my future. Hopefully, I wish good luck for my future. Not to me. To me, not needed. I study more than very well these days. Okay. That's something that needs some adjustments. Okay. So when you are writing that thing, students, don't write more than with very. More than means very. Okay. So I study more than uh, then you can like this can't be done students, then you have to say I study or like I got ready, uh, something you can say. Okay, so for example, I am getting more than ready for the exam. That is okay. I study more than very well. That doesn't make sense. You have to remember more than means very there. Okay, if you write like this, I am getting, what can you write? I am getting ready for the exam. You can just write it like I am more than ready for the exam. Okay, that's it. I am more than ready for the exam. Okay, that's about ඕනාවටත් වඩා completely මම හොඳට පාඩම් කරලා තියෙනවා. I'm more than ready for the exam. Okay, you can use it. Then other one is like I'm more than happy to do that favor for you. Very good. That's nice. Okay, you can just write like I am more than happy. Okay, so that's correct. Ne? That's about I am very happy. I am more than happy to do that favor for you. මං ඒ help එක කරන්න ගොඩක් කැමතියි. I am more than happy to see you. I am more than happy to call you. Okay, that means I am very happy to call you. I am more than happy to join the class. Okay, that's it. I am more than ready to study now. Hmm. Okay, teacher and me, like you can say, like you can just use the term like any term there, any teacher like you, then you can say, we are more than teacher and students. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's how you have to use these terms there, hopefully and more than. Do you have any questions? Is that clear? All clear? Clear the? Any doubts there, Sachini? Sachini, I haven't received any answer from you, ni Sachini. Yes, can you just type an answer? Hmm. Okay, please type an answer. Yes, I'm interested in like reading your answer as well. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's clear, neither. Okay, fine. Netmini sent, and Dilini also sent. Menuko also sent. Ah, okay, fine, fine. Very good. Okay, nice. Then let's move on to the other part. That's about I'm going to teach you diplomatic language, but I don't think the time will be enough since we are doing the exam today, our formative test. So diplomatic language, I will keep it like this because this is a very important lesson for you. Then I will keep this today and I will be teaching this to you on um, Tuesday. That's about this Tuesday we don't have because that is 15th. I think by 15th you will be like having parties and you will be joining with your like I mean Urdu activities with your friends and those things will happen. Enisa, this Friday, Tuesday and Thursday also you have a kind of I mean we are giving you a good time there actually to zone out neither zone out. Okay, you can just zone out and enjoy. So that's for you. Okay, if not, you can sleep like a log. So now I think I have already told you about sleeping and those collocations, neither. Sleeping like a log and taking a nap So those things we discussed. Okay, so then you can just zone out and enjoy. Okay, so you have 2 days there. Then I will be teaching diplomatic language next day, because this is a nice lesson and this needs more focus. Okay, then listening, no. What? Worn out means, Ani, I think I have explained you the meaning of zone out. What's the meaning of zone out? Worn out in the sense tired. Worn out can tired. That's the thing. W ne. So what's the meaning of zone out? Very well. My God, I am just thinking about how you are studying students, how fast you are forgetting the terms and those kind of things. Why are you forgetting these things too quickly? Okay? So, like, you have to just live with this, okay? Yeah, I'm just worrying about this thing, because I think I have already taught you the sleeping and those phrasal verbs and collocations. I did it last day. That's about last Tuesday. Okay, so today is Thursday. Can't you remember the meaning of zone out? This is day 19. What's the meaning of zone out? Hmm? After a long week of work, I like to zone out and forget all about my responsibilities. So, what's the meaning of zone out? Nedmi? What's the meaning, Nedmi? Okay, want to relax by forgetting everything. Very good, yes, that's it. Okay, so zone out in the sense I'm giving time for you to zone out. So zone out means that's about like you are going to have some fun, or you are going to like have some rest. Okay, that's it. Okay, understood. So that is like you stop paying attention to the lessons or somewhere, and then like you just stop paying attention. That's the meaning. Okay, for a short period of time. So your vacation is like that. Okay, understood. Now understood the sleeping like a log, heat the sack, take a nap, tossing and turning. So these things I have already taught you students. Focus on them. Okay, so that's for you. This is day 19 now. Okay, so that's the lesson that we did last day. Okay, then so today I'm teaching you the phrasal verbs and collocations related to calling and texting. Okay, that is the lesson today, but I thought to do diplomatic language, but I need you to do the exam, because now I know that you forget the things and you don't remember the things, you don't memorize the things. So now I am being very strict, and now I want you to do the test. Okay, and yes, and speaking test also I am taking individually. I'm marking you. Okay, I'm examining you and I'm giving you marks individually for your speaking test. This will be sent to you on 20th. Okay, yes, fine, good. So to return someone's phone call, what's the meaning? Hmm? To return someone's phone call. Yes, that's really easy, Anita. So that's callback. Okay, then the act of sending text or voice messages. Yes, we are done. Messaging. Okay. Then, not messaging, messaging. A tool like a phone or tablet used for communication. So, what do we say? Tab, phone, and all these things. What do we say, students? What's the term? We call them as what? Devices. Yes, so I can tell you, Ane, I have some problems in my device, so I can't join the class. That's the meaning, no? So you can also tell it like, Ane, I have some problems in my device. I can't connect right now, so shall we postpone the class? That's it. Then to end a phone call, what do you say, students? To end a phone call like නතර කරනවට තියනවට, what do you call? You say මම phone එක තියන්න. So what's it in English? To end a phone call. Harry, I will do a kind of small help, starting with H. H-A. Now try. H-A. One word there. Okay. Then another word there. Now I think you should tell. What's the answer? To end a phone call. Yes. So that is hang up. Okay. Hang up means to end a phone call. I will explain how to use them. But now just remember. So hang call back, messaging, devices, hang up. To send a message or note quickly, often via text or app texting. Yes. Nice. You understood it. Neither. Last one. The connection is strength for phone no internet. What's it? Connection is strength. What do you say? My say. What do you say? Ayyo. You should tell this thing, huh? What's it? The connection is strength? Yes, signal. Okay, fine. So look, these are the words that you use every day, ne? So callback, messaging, devices, texting, signal, hang up. Sometimes it might be a kind of different one. But look how many minutes that you took actually to find out the mixed up word. Okay, yes, fine. Now I will teach you the collocations. Okay, that's about like we need to remember. So here we have collocations there or the idioms in English that we have learned many idioms now, more than 50. Okay, I don't know you can remember or not. I can remember. Okay, then you also should remember it. Then first one, give you a ring. Get through, hang up, drop a line, pick up, get in touch. So those are the collocations and the phrasal verbs. You know, phrasal verbs means we make phrasal verbs or we form phrasal verbs by combining it with the verb, neither. So what are the phrasal verbs you can remember, students? Just tell me. I'm just thinking now. I understood it like you, most of you forgot the things. So tell me phrasal verbs you know. Quickly tell me. Phrasal verb is formed, verb there, a preposition there, or like if not, it's a kind of constituent. Constituent in the sense a small part in English, little word in English, something like that. Most of the times that's a preposition. Verb එකයි preposition එකයි එකතු වෙලා තමයි phrasal verb එකක් හැදෙන්නේ. So now tell me the phrasal verbs. Okay, very good. Get up, that's correct. Get up is a phrasal verb because get is a verb, up is a preposition or like a small constituent. Then we can say get up. Okay, fine. Another one. Good, get up is correct. Yes, good. Hand over. Nice. What are the other things? Get up, hand over, call back. Okay, fine. Call back we can write. Why not? But it's given here. That's what. Okay. Then call off. Very good. Call off in the sense cancelling something. Nice. Okay, what are the other phrasal verbs you know? Call off. Uh-huh. What are the other things? Get on. Yes, get on in the sense නගිනවා නේද? බස් එකට නගිනවා. Yes, get off. බස් එකෙන් බහිනවා. Get on, get off. You can just write get on, get off, call back, call off. So like that we have many phrasal verbs in English. Okay, so most of the verbs they have phrasal verbs, students. I will like yes, wait, I will show something to you. Okay, so every day try to find out one phrasal verb because they will make your language beautiful. I don't know why you don't do these things, students, because what you can do is please try your best to find the things. Okay, and then try to learn and try to use them when you are texting. Even though you tell something in Sinhala, you use a phrasal verb in front. Take a handover කරන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, so something like that. So you use the phrasal verb. If you feel somewhat less confident in telling everything in English, so just try to use one thing in the middle and then form your sentence. Make your sentence. Okay, so they are the ways of learning. No one tells like you should speak everything in English. No, because English is our second language. You can do mistakes and you can just add single words there. No worries. But you learn it well. Okay. Yes. So if you type phrasal verbs related to the verb get. Okay. Get කියන word එකට or call කියන word එකට අදාළව තියෙන phrasal verbs ටික. Okay, you search it in Google. Okay, so then they will give you some nice pictures there. Look, so these are the phrasal verbs related to call. Okay, so look, call back, hold on, put through, hang up, cut off, pick up, speak up. So those are the things, ne? So look how nice it is. Okay, so these are the phrasal verbs. Okay, so you better focus on them. Another thing is look, this one. Okay, so these are very free sources ne. මේ sources හරිම free. You can use them ne. So phrasal verbs with call. Look, call කියන්නේ call කරනවටම නෙවෙයිනේ. So here we have call away. Call away, call for, call in. As you told me, call off, that means cancelling. Call on කියන්නේ කාව හරි බලන්න යනවට. I really should call on my aunt more often. That's about visiting a person. That's the meaning of call on. Okay, visit කරනවට. Then call on again there to summon up. Exhausted, he called on his last I can't say ounce of his strength. Okay, then call out කියන්නේ challenge කරනවට. Okay, she called them out on their lies. Okay, challenge kara, she challenge. Okay, so if you feel like this is somewhat harder, you focus on this again. Okay, so then there are different examples there. Many examples are given with the meaning. Then try to understand it by yourself. Okay, then phrasal verbs with cut there. Okay, so look how many words are there. Cut back, cut down, cut off, cut out, cut through. So look, very nice words they are. Okay, and then wash. Look, look. Wash up, wash away, then wash down, wash out, wash over. So it makes your language beautiful. So you try your best to find out phrasal verbs like that. So I didn't do anything there, Ani. What I did was I type it in Google, and after that I focused on images. Okay, then here we have a lot of things. If you type there like a text or something you type there give. Okay, so then they will give you the things. Can see. Okay, look how many phrasal verbs are there related to give. Okay, so learn them and try to understand and use them when you are speaking about something. Okay, fine. So here also we have phrasal verbs and collocations also there. Now we'll try to understand how we can use these things when we are talking about calling and texting. Okay, first one. Okay, so I will put the numbers there. Okay, so this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth. Okay, Hari, now tell me the answer. I tried calling her 3 times, but I couldn't. What's the correct answer? Guess and tell me. I tried calling her 3 times. Tumpara kata kara, but I couldn't. Yes? Any answer? What can you write? Any guesses from your side first? Then we'll keep it. Okay, next one. I will tomorrow. You give me the answer. Okay. Fourth one. But I couldn't pick up. No, that's not fourth one. That's first one. Sorry, that's second one. Okay, that is get through. Okay, so get through in the sense that is about you try to contact someone. Okay, so to make contact with someone by phone. Okay, that's about contact someone. That's the meaning of get through. I tried calling her 3 times. තුන්පාරක් කතා කරත් මට contact කරගන්න බැරි වුණා කියන්නේ I couldn't get through. Okay, her line was always busy. හැම වෙලේම line එක busy. Okay, so that's the meaning. Get through means you contact someone. Couldn't get through means you were unable to contact the person. Okay, so you can tell me, teacher, I tried calling you yesterday, but I couldn't get through. මට contact කරගන්න බැරි වුණා ඔයාව. Okay, that's it. I couldn't get through. Then I'll tomorrow to talk about the meeting. So what's it? What can you write, students? What is the answer? Okay, everyone type your answer. Doesn't matter if it is wrong. Fifth one, fourth one. No. Why are you really interested in using pickup the? I'll give you a ring. First one. Okay. I will give you a ring tomorrow. That's about give you a ring means call you students. Like calling. කතා කරනවට. If you say I'll give you a ring tomorrow, that means I'll call you tomorrow. Okay. Give you a ring is an idiom that we can use. Just like we have learned a lot of idioms and collocations. If you say I will give you a ring, that's about I'll call you. Okay. Then she forgot to. What's the answer? She forgot to hang up. Yes, hang up in the sense ending the call. She forgot to hang up. එයාට බැරි වුණා phone එක තියන්න after the interview. So they gave the job to someone else. Phone එක තිබ්බේ නැති නිසා. That's a funny one නේද? Okay. I mean, like normally those things like won't happen, but I wrote it because hang up තියන්නේ. So that's about she forgot to hang up. Hang up in the sense phone එක තියන්න බැරි වුණා. You can say actually, he forgot to hang up, and I heard what he was telling to his mother. Okay, our phone එක තියන්න බැරි වුණා යාට. ඒ නිසා මට එයා කියන දේ ඇහුණා. But sometimes you hear the like when people forget to hang up the phone or like the call or something, then you also hear the things happening there. Okay, so she forgot to hang up. Okay, then if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. Get in touch in the sense that's about contact someone. රැඳිලා ඉන්න කියන්නේ get in touch with me. That's about like that's it. You want to say feel free to get in touch in the sense like රැඳිලා ඉන්න. That's it. I left a message on his voicemail, but he hasn't. What's the answer? I left a message. Message එකක් දාලා තිබුණා, but he hasn't. මොකද්ද කරේ නැත්තේ? Picked up yet. Okay. Picked up yet in the sense phone එක answer කරේ නැහැ. Okay. Picking up in the sense answer the phone. Okay. So why are you not picking up your phone? You can ask neither. Like you can ask, why are you not picking up your phone? ඇයි phone එක pick up කරන්නේ නැත්තේ? Why are you not picking up your phone? So that means why are you not answering your phone? ඇයි phone එක answer කරන්නේ නැත්තේ? The same thing, you can ask it using a phrasal verb. The phrasal verb is pick up. Why are you not picking up your phone? Okay, Annie, sorry, I was at work, so I forgot to pick up my phone. You can tell me, Mom, වැඩක හිටියේ, so I was unable to pick up my phone. Phone එක ගන්න බැරි වුණා to answer the phone. That's pick up. Okay, so the other one is just drop a line. Drop a line කියන්නේ that's about drop a message. Okay, drop a short message. Okay, or drop something. Actually, students, drop a line කියන word එක idiom එකක්. ඒක ඉස්සර use කරේ letters ගැන කියද්දි, ලියුම් ගැන කියද්දි. ඉස්සර ඉතින් messages තිබුණේ නැහැනේ. So most of the people, so they wrote letters and like that. So that was an idiom they used to specially to talk about letters. ලියුමක් දාන්න කියන්න. So just drop a line. Okay, but today අපි අද that's about modern day. We use drop a line to talk about drop a short message. Okay, message එකක් දාන්න කියන you can just use there drop a line. Okay, so drop a line when you arrive at the hotel. Hotel එකට ගියාම drop a line message එකක් දාන්න. So I know you are safe. Then I know that you are very safe. Okay, so these are the collocations. Now you understood. Get through means contact someone. You can tell, I tried to call my dentist many times, but I was unable to get through because he was very busy. Then, I will give you a ring next week. She forgot to something. hang up. Okay, you can just tell, Ani, I have a work now, so I think it's better to hang up. මට දැන් වැඩක් තියෙනවා, so it's better to hang up. It's better to end the call. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch. That's contact. Then picking up in the sense that's about answering the phone. I need to pick up the phone now. I need to answer the call now. Drop a line means that's about drop me a message. I can tell you, just drop a line if you have any questions, students. That means just drop a short message if you have any questions. That's about drop a line. Okay, so hope you understood. Is there any confusions or is everything clear? Do you need any clarifications, students? Or everything clear? Girls? Girls? Okay. Yes, it's clear there. Okay. Okay, nice. Very good. Then students, please choose a collocation, idiom or collocation or anything and write a sentence. You can choose give you a ring, get through, hang up, drop a line, pick up or get in touch. Use anything you like and write a sentence. Okay, I'm not sharing the screen with you now. Yes, you have to remember. Quickly do. I need to be somewhat strict now. Yes, because sometimes you don't memorize the things and you forget the things very quickly. Yes, I don't want that thing to happen in the class. Okay, quickly type your answers, write a sentence. Quickly choose any idiom or phrasal verb or collocation or anything you like and you write the sentence. Yes, you can choose whatever you like. No worries. Don't write the thing something very simple, huh? Yes. Time is given for you. I'm giving only 1 minute. Okay, I got one answer. I have a work to do, so it's better to hang up now. Oh, okay, fine. Yes, nice. Others also right. I'll give you a ring tonight to talk about the party. Okay, yes. Okay, nice, nice, very good. That's correct, huh? Yes, I'm studying for the exam, so hang up call now. So, like, how do you say? So, I'll hang up. Okay, that's okay. Ne? You can say, like, actually, I have to go now because I have a lot to study. So, I'll hang up. Okay, yes, I'll hang up. That's enough. Okay, if not, you can say, my sister suddenly hung up the phone call. Suddenly hung up in the sense, එකපාරටම තිබ්බා. That's it. Suddenly hung up. Okay, hang up, hung up. It goes past tense. Ne? I give you a ring to discuss the problem. Ah, very good, Sachini. That's about I'll call you. Okay, so fine. Nice. And what are the other things I got? Uh-huh. I want to get in touch with him, but he hasn't time. Yes, very good. I want to get in touch with him, but he hasn't time. Actually, I give you a ring tomorrow, so I have a problem and I can solve it with you. Very good. That's nice. I'll give you a ring tomorrow. Or I'll drop a line. That's also fine. I'll drop a line if you are too busy. I don't want to call, but I'll drop a line if you are too busy. That's about I will drop you a short message. Okay, very nice. Very good. So I'm so happy about the way how you used idioms and collocations. Use them. Okay, and I think I have done many collocations like that related to clothes and business, cars, environment, and we had many topics like that. So today, like that last day we did sleeping. So today, we did the topic that's calling and texting. Okay, next day we'll choose another topic, the most important topics that you want for your day-to-day conversations, and I taught you. So now you should use them when you are speaking in English. Okay, Hari. So now the time is 8:40 and I will be sending you the paper now. Okay, so this is the paper, students. Okay, and so Ani, don't search it from anywhere. Just use your current knowledge. That's about use your knowledge and write the answers. Don't copy because it now you are adult students, ne? So be honest to yourself. Okay, and write the exam. This is a formative test. Okay, and only 3 pages there. Okay, so like very simple thing. I just wanted to see that how you score and what kind of things I should do and I should teach you more. Okay, so that's what I, because this is not an end term exam. This is really actually not too hard. Okay, not too hard in the sense not hard as well. You write it and send answers to the coordinator. I think you have the, like, you have coordinator's number. She's the one who is just sending you messages in the group and like that. Okay, so just write the answers and send it to me, send it to the coordinator. I'll be marking this and sending you marks tomorrow morning. Okay, yes, so please send it. I mean, it's better if you can send it before 8 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, that's better. Then I can just mark it and send you marks because I need to know like how you work here. Okay, good students. Then I'm sending you a paper. Wait a second, and I will be sharing it with you now. Yeah, it's there. Okay, hope you received. I have sent it. Have you received it? Everyone received the. Okay, nice. Netme, you received. Dilli received. Okay, Netme, you have a kind of doubt in accessing the thing? No, right? Netmini and Sachini, how about you? Received? Received. Okay, very good. So like now you do this thing and I will be uploading this, but Moodle in the sense some students don't have access, then I think it's better you download this now and write your answers. You can write it on the paper. Paper එකේම ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. If not, you take a paper like and write answers and make it as a PDF and send. I will be giving you marks tomorrow morning and your speaking test. I will send you a date. Probably it won't happen before Aurudu. It will happen after Aurudu. Okay, because now I need to give you some time. Neither. Do I write question? No need to write questions just write the answers, but put the numbers correctly. Write only the answers. That's enough. Okay. Yes, because now adult students, so you don't need to write questions. I know. Okay. Yes, so I made the thing easy for you. You better do it and yes, and send it to the send it to her, send it to the coordinator. Okay, fine, students, then we can wrap up the lesson now. Okay, bye everyone, stay safe. Annie, an happy new year thing I will not, now it's too early neither. Okay, I'll wish you later then. Okay, bye everyone, good night, stay safe. If you have any doubts, drop a line. In the sense, drop a message. Drop a message at any time if you have any doubts. Okay, if you feel anything hard or something, and if you feel like it's better if we do this thing in the class එකේ අපිට මිස්සුණු දෙයක් තියෙනවා නම් මිස ඒ කියන්නේ course එකේ අනුව කරන්න තියෙන ඔක්කොම I have done. Okay, but if you feel like it's better if we touch this thing as well කියලා, then you better tell me or drop me a message. You have my contact and everything. So you tell me and I will include them in the course and I will teach that part to you. Okay, and yes, so you feel happy about this? How do you feel about the class? So this is the 20th day, so how do you feel about it? You are very happy about it. Hmm? What's your idea? And you have learned a lot? You feel like you have learned a lot? Hmm? Honest idea, tell me. Hmm? What's your honest idea about the class? Ah, yes. I forgot to tell. We missed 2 days. Okay, like 2 days later, we will be doing the classes. 20 ne karane, so that's why I am doing another 2 classes within this month. Okay, because we missed 2 days. Okay, අපිට days දෙකක් miss වුණා නිසා. Okay, fine. Yes, how do you feel about the classes? Okay. ෆෝන් එකේ save වෙන්නේ නැද්ද? That's about the paper, the. Ah, seriously? Hurry, okay. Then you drop me a message. Okay. Yes, you drop me a WhatsApp message. You have my number, neither. You have my number. You drop me a WhatsApp message and then I will send it to you. Okay? I will send it via WhatsApp. You drop me hi or a face or something and you haven't my number. I will send it. Wait. Okay, I have sent it. Okay. I have sent it to everyone. You drop me a WhatsApp message. If you are unable to download the paper, so drop me a WhatsApp message and I will send it now. No worries. Okay. We have many options, Nick. Don't think about it. Thank you, Nedmi. You are very happy and you learned a lot of things. I'm so happy about it, Nedmi. Okay. Yes, I'm also so happy to teach you all. Okay, nice. Sorry, we'll discuss it later because today is not the last day. We have time. And you tell me if you have any doubts or something. All of you are there, Dilini, Netmini, and Sachini. So, yeah, drop me a message whenever you have doubts about anything. Okay, then we'll wrap up the class now. Okay, bye, students. Stay safe. Bye. Stay safe. Okay. You drop me a WhatsApp message if it's hard for you to download the paper. Okay. Bye. Good night. Okay, you don't feel like leaving this class, the Ani, okay. But the thing anyway, you have to do the test today. Okay, that's why. Yes. Okay, Hari, next day we'll meet now. Okay, fine then. Stay safe, everyone. Bye, good night. Do the paper and send it to me before tomorrow. Not me, to the coordinator before 8 a.m. tomorrow. Okay, bye.